Top 5 JavaScript topics every developer should know. Variables and data types. JavaScript variables are used to store data values. Understanding the different data types in JavaScript is essential to creating effective code. Functions. JavaScript functions are blocks of code that can be called and executed at any time. They can be used to perform specific tasks, such as performing calculations or manipulating data. Arrays and objects. Arrays and objects are essential data structures in JavaScript. They allow you to store and manipulate collections of data. DOM manipulation. The Document Object Model, DOM, is a programming interface for HTML documents. Manipulating the DOM with JavaScript allows you to dynamically update the content and appearance of web pages. Ajax and APIs. Ajax and APIs are used to exchange data between the client and server. They allow you to build web applications that can communicate with other applications and services. These are just a few of the essential topics that every JavaScript developer should know. By mastering these concepts, you can create powerful web applications that are responsive and dynamic.